Today we will discuss about difference between adsorption and absorption. We know that adsorption is surface phenomena in which one substance get accumulated at the surface of another substance. It clears that adsorption is what? Surface phenomena. If I take example of charcoal which act as adsorbent, if it is kept in atmosphere of any gas like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, then these gas particles get trapped at the surface of charcoal. Right? It means it shows what? It is surface phenomena. Now, if I take example of a sponge like this, and it is kept in water. Now what will happen? These water molecule get trapped within the sponge like this. It means it is not surface phenomena, while absorption is bulk phenomena in which one substance get accumulated elsewhere. Right? So adsorption and absorption, basic difference is what? Adsorption is surface phenomena while the absorption is bulk phenomena. Now look at this. In this case what happens? One substance get accumulated at the surface. It means concentration of this substance at the surface and in bulk it is different. राइट तो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट हमारा इसी पॉइंट को शो कर रहा है. इन दिस फिनोमिना कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ एब्जॉर्बेट इज डिफरेंट ऑन सरफेस ऑफ एब्जॉर्बेंट एंड बल्क. कंसंट्रेशन बल्क में और सरफेस पर डिफरेंट है, बट इन केस ऑफ एब्जॉर्प्शन देयर इज नो डिफरेंस ऑफ द कंसंट्रेशन विद इन द बल्क एंड एट द सरफेस. इट मीन्स it is uniform distribution, right? In this phenomena concentration is same throughout the material. It means there is uniform distribution of substance in another. Now next is what we know that adsorption is an exothermic process. During adsorption heat is evolved, we know it about, right? But in case of absorption it is endothermic process. It means it required enthalpy, it required energy to absorb. Now next point is what? Rapid in beginning and slow down near the equilibrium. What it mean? Again I am taking example of charcoal. There are so many vacant spaces there. It means there are so many free valencies are there on which these gas particles can trap like this. They can accumulate it at the surface. It means until there are free valencies, these particles get adsorbed at the surface. क्या मतलब निकलता है यहाँ से? इन द बिगिनिंग जब फ्री वैलेंसीज अवेलेबल हैं एड्जॉर्प्शन रेट हाई होगा, बट जैसे जैसे ये फ्री वैलेंसीज कवर होती जाएंगी एड्जॉर्बेट मॉलिक्यूल्स के थ्रू, इट मीन्स यहाँ पर रेट ऑफ एड्जॉर्प्शन भी कम होता जाएगा. अल्टीमेटली एक स्टेज आ जाएगी इक्विलिब्रियम स्टेज एट विच जैसे जैसे सब्सटेंस एड्जॉर्ब होगा उसी रेट से सब्सटेंस डिसॉर्ब भी होगा. It means under equilibrium condition, rate of adsorption becomes equals to rate of desorption. But in case of absorption, it occurs at uniform rate. मतलब there is no change with the time. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि initially absorption higher है, with time it will decrease down. It remain at uniform rate. Now I give you an example. If ammonia gas adsorb at charcoal, it gives like this with the evolution of heat. It means what? यहाँ पर ये क्या इंडिकेट कर रहा है? यहाँ पर ये जो स्लैश है, स्लैश शो कर रहा है there is a surface, there is a boundary difference between the charcoal and ammonia. It means these ammonia particles get adsorbed at the surface only, right? Ammonia get adsorbed at the surface only. It means it is surface phenomena. बट अगर इसी अमोनिया को वाटर के साथ रिएक्शन करा दिया जाए उस केस में क्या होता है? अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड का सोल्यूशन बन जाता है. इट मीन्स नाउ अमोनिया गेट एब्जॉर्ब विद इन द वाटर. In this case, ammonia get adsorbed at the surface of charcoal. It means it is adsorption. But same gas, when treated with water, it get absorbed within the water uniformly to give ammonium hydroxide solution. It is the difference between the adsorption and absorption. I think you came to know about the difference between the adsorption and absorption. Now we will meet in next video. Till then, goodbye.